Thomas and Friends, Whistle and Sneeze, based on the Railway series by the Reverend W. Awdry.
One day, Gordon was cross. "Why should Henry have a new shape?" he said. "A shape good enough for him is good enough for me is good enough for him. And there's another thing. Henry whistled too much. No engine whistled like this before. And I told you that, Henry, and he doing our work and doing his work. It isn't wrong, but we just don't do it," he said to that engine. Henry was very sad. "Never mind," said Percy. "I'm glad you came back. I like your whistle too." "Goodbye, Henry," shouted Gordon. "I'm glad you came back, but remember what I said." And he puffed away. One day, Henry was pulling the coaches when he saw Edward. "Hello, Henry," said Edward. "I like your new shape, too, and I like your whistle this morning," Edward said to Henry. "Oh, thank you, Edward," said Henry. "Shh. Can you hear that? It sounds like Gordon, but Gordon never whistled like this before." "It is Gordon. He was running too fast and he whistled too loud." And he passed Edward and Henry. "Whoa!" said Henry. "It isn't wrong," chuckled, but we just don't do it." He remembered that what Gordon had said to him before. When Gordon reached the station, everyone covered their ears. Even Sir Topham had covered his ear too. "Take him away," he bellowed, "and stop that noise." When Gordon went to the fitters' yard, the workmen tried to fix his whistle, but it's no good. They used the hammer to smash his whistle off. That night, Gordon called home that everybody was not there, and there was silence. "It isn't wrong," chuckled Henry, "but we just don't do it." The next day, Henry was pulling coaches again. Then he saw some boys. "I like his new shape," he said to himself. Then Henry saw some boys again, and he tried to say hello to them. "Peep, peep, hello," they cried. "Psst, oh," said Henry. "They've broken our glass! They've broken our glass!" But they wasn't hurt, but they were cross. "Call the police," said one of the passengers. "No need," said his driver. "Leave it to Henry." Then his driver told what the plan is. Yes, they said. "Henry's going to sneeze those boys," he said. "Well, Henry, I will tell you what when we saw the boys again, we can sneak to sneeze them." "All right," Henry kept his secret. When Henry got to the next station, he told it out to passengers, too. "Everyone shut the window off and don't let the head flow away," he said to passengers. "And Henry, I will tell you when you need to sneeze, and you be ready." The amount of passengers was very confused. Henry is like this shape. "Are you ready? Sneeze as you can," he said to Henry. "Now, achoo!" "Well done, Henry," said his driver. That night, Henry went home. Whenever he saw Gordon and the boys, they learned that not to be so mean.